Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Becca. I am super excited to do this video for you guys today. Most of my other videos on my channel are tutorial videos for hair cutting. So this is going to be the first video like this. It's going to be kind of a review and my thoughts on Luxy hair extensions. So I'm super excited. We're going to jump right in and I hope you guys like it. Alright everybody, so I wanted to show you guys the website and what it's going to look like when you go and order your Luxy hair extension. So as you can see, it's a really pretty design, the Luxy hair website. You have a lot of before and after photos of the product that you're going to get, which they're very realistic, and if you stick to the end, you'll see that the after is very attainable. Alrighty, so this is the front page that you're going to open up. You're going to go to Shop Hair, and you're going to notice that there are a lot of options. You're going to have your 16-inch Classic Collection, your 20-inch Classic Collection, and your 20-inch Seamless Collection. So with the Seamless selection, you can have ones, they're going to be a little less noticeable. With the Classic Collection, that is what I have, and I feel like they're pretty blendable and they're pretty light. I don't get headaches or anything when I wear them. So this is kind of just your preference on which ones you want to get. The Classic Collection is a little bit less expensive than the Seamless Collection. So we'll go into the one that I selected. I got the 20-inch Classic Collection, and then you're going to get sent to this page where you choose your thickness. So for me, I probably could have gone either between 120 grams to medium 160 grams. I have really fine hair, but I have a lot of it. So what I did was I just went with the medium selection because I didn't want to get the fine and then realize that my hair was, because I had a lot of it, I couldn't wear them and they didn't blend well. So I got the medium, and what's nice is that I probably could have, now that I have them and can wear them, I probably could have gone with the fine, but with the medium, I have an extra weft that I can use for more volume if I want to. So you're just going to select the amount that you're going to get, and then it's going to send you to your color choices, and it's going to have an image of all of them to see what they look like. And I think the darkest that it goes to is a jet black, I want to say. Yeah, a jet black, which they're all so pretty. You'll have a lot of sale pop-ups, which are exciting and always happy. So yeah, the darkest that you can get is a jet black. I think for me, I did the chestnut when I first got them. And a little tip with this, which I found in a couple of tutorial videos, and they have a lot of things that you can look at when you get to the website that kind of help you through with picking your thickness. They have a video that can help you pick your thickness, and they also have a video to help you pick your color. In a lot of the videos that I saw, they recommend other tutorials, not necessarily Luxy themselves. They recommend doing the ends, like matching the end color of your hair, not the roots. And that reason being, if you have if you have darker hair at the top, it might be a little bit more difficult to match these colors. So trying to match the ends kind of gives it that more blended, flawless look. So I did the chestnut, and at the time when I got it, it blended really nicely with my roots and my ends, and I was lucky enough that it almost gave kind of a natural balayage look. So I was really happy when I got them. Later on, however, I did change my hair color back to my natural hair color, and it's really close to this chocolate brown, but it's not as dark, I don't think. I think it's like chocolate brown, but it has more of the chestnut undertones to it, and that's my natural hair color. So I will go with the one that I chose originally when I purchased it. So you can add it to your bag. So we'll go ahead and do that. Okay, cool. And then it has a couple of things that you can, well, right now it has the option you can get the limited edition Luxy Hair clips. At the time when I bought my hair extensions, it was their loop brush, which I think is pretty awesome that they offered that as well. I'm really happy that I bought it. It just really helps keep your Luxy hair extensions healthy, and it helps with getting the tangles out and not causing your Luxy hair extensions to get really frizzy. And then they also have other recommended things, a Luxy hair extensions carrier, which I really wish that I had bought this when I purchased my extensions before. It's a really nice way to hold your Luxy clip-ins and to just keep them from getting dusty, for getting snarled, and all of that. So I'm not going to add anything to this one. I did want to show you guys, when you go to checkout, this is a really awesome option that Luxy offers. They partner with, oh, okay. They partner with Klarna, I want to say, and I did use that option. It splits up your payment of $169 into 4 payments, and I found that really, really helpful and really easy. This is, for some people, a lot to spend, but being able to split it up into a couple of payments was really nice. And Klarna was really easy to use. They don't charge you any interest, and they don't fee you for anything with using them. So I found that really awesome. Another thing that they have is a hair blog, which you can sign up for. They usually ask you to sign up for it, or ask you if you don't mind getting emails from them. This is really awesome because not only do they have things on here for how to take care of your clip-ins and all of that, but they talk about hair health in general. So this is a really awesome website to go through for just hair health and knowing how to take care of your hair well. They also have a couple of tutorials for hair styling and all of that. So all in all, Luxy Hair is a really awesome site, and I definitely wanted to share with you guys how awesome I felt that it was. Definitely go and check them out and just take a look at the awesome stories behind their how they became who they are, and also just the testimonies from other people talking about how much their hair extensions just really helped them become more confident and feel more beautiful in who they are. And that's definitely something that I feel like they've helped me with. So I just wanted to give them a shout out. I am not sponsored by Luxy Hair or Klarna or anything else that is involved in the Luxy Hair video that you guys are going to see here today. I really just wanted to share Luxy Hair and how awesome they are. So thanks for watching, guys. Hey everybody, so we moved into my bathroom so that I can have a mirror to show you guys how to put the hair extensions in. So when you get your hair extensions, they're going to come in this beautiful pink box. And then when you open it up, you are going to see, oops, you're going to see this little card, and it's going to say read me first. So in the top of that, you're going to have one of the one clip-ins, and basically with this, as you're just going to want to test your hair with it to make sure that it matches nicely, which mine matches perfectly. And the reason that is because when I first got my clip-in hair extensions, I got them in a chestnut color, and at the time it did match my hair really, really well. I got them to match the ends of my hair instead of the roots, which I would definitely recommend doing that when you're going through and looking at all of the colors. I would recommend matching it really close to the mid shaft and ends of your hair instead of the roots, because if you have hair that's going to be growing out and it's going to look a little bit different as your hair grows out and you can't wear your extensions anymore, and that would be kind of a loss. However, if that does happen, these are 100% Remy human hair, so you can color them. With that though, you need to make sure that you know 100% how to color them. They're not going to take them back if you damage your Luxy hair extensions using bleach or any other kind of color. So make sure before you try to color them that you know 100% what color you want, and you know what your hair is going to do when you color them. So that being said, this is not chestnut. I did color them myself to match my hair when I colored my hair, and I think they look great. This is closer to my natural hair color, which I was really wanting to go back to, so I can see myself having this hair color for quite a long time. So this is going to be great for parties or special occasions or photos, which is basically what I got these for. So that being said, at the top you're going to have this piece of hair. You're going to match it to your hair color. If you like how it looks, then you're free to open it up. It comes with, which mine's already opened, I'll just take the hair out and show you guys. So it comes with this kind of clear plastic part, and then along the side it has a gold sticker or a gold seal, and it even says on the seal, once it's broken, you can't return your Luxy hair extensions or exchange them. So my color sample weft looked great, and so I opened it up and I wore them. I got a couple wears out of them before I decided to change my hair color. So now I'm going to talk about clipping them in. It did take a lot of practice for me to clip in my hair extensions. I had a hard time getting them to blend, but after trying a couple of things to make it look a little bit better, I feel like I've gotten a little bit of a hang of it. So when they come, I thought it would be easier just to put them in and then style my hair, which if you look at any other tutorial videos, that's kind of what they talk about. But for me, I found it a lot easier to style the hair extensions and my hair and then put them in. So when you get your clip-in hair extensions, like I said, it comes in the beautiful pink box. You'll test your hair strand color with the test sample weft, and then when you open it up, you're going to see, let's see, how many does mine have? I think mine has 10. I got 160 grams of hair, which we go through a little bit earlier in the video. So if you cut to this part in the video for the tutorial, make sure you watch that part too, just talking about what color, again, and also the gram of hair that you're going to need for your hair. My hair is thick, but it's fine, so I feel like I could have probably gone with 120 grams or 160 grams. I chose the 160 because I get one extra weft that I feel like if I want a little bit more volume or a little bit more glamour, I can put that in or leave it off, and I still get a really great look from my Luxy hair extensions. So a couple of things that I noticed when I practiced putting my clip-in hair extensions in, you have two 4-clip wefts. One is longer and the other one is shorter. So the longer one is supposed to go at like the nape of your neck, and then it goes to the smaller one, and then it goes up as you go. So my hairline along the back of my head, along the nape of my neck, is kind of small, so that was the first thing. I did it exactly how I thought it was supposed to be. And that's the other thing. You can watch as many tutorials as you want, but just practicing it and just working with the hair extensions and trying to figure out what works best for you is going to really make your Luxy hair extensions look great or not. So definitely just practice. Don't lose heart when you put them in and you're like, oh, it doesn't look good. Just practice, and I'm sure that it's going to look fantastic once you can do that. So I start with my the smaller 4-clip weft. And so what you're going to do is you're going to section your hair just right below your ears. So you're going to go just under your ears and you're going to clip your hair up. And then you'll take the smaller of the two 4 wefts and you'll just kind of go through and brush through it a little bit just to get the tangles out. And then it's easier to unclip them before you put them up there. I like to just kind of feel where it's centered on my head and then start with the 2 middle ones and clip them before I go to the 2 side ones and clip them, just to make sure that they're not on my head crooked. So there's the first one. And then you kind of just, you move up I think it was like 1/2 inch that they say. You go halfway between your ear and the top of the ear, and you'll clip that up. So then I take the longer of the 2 4-1s, and again, I brush through it just to get all the tangles out, and then you clip those in. Well, yeah, at the center. All right, and then just above your ear, and this is where we switch into our 3-clip weft extensions. They look like this. And again, you're just gonna brush through them, and you'll clip them in. You just center it on the back of your head. And then this is where you, at least for me, I can decide whether or not I want to do the second 3rd one, which I think for today I'm going to, just to show you guys the volume that I get from it. So you'll just take the 3rd one and clip it in about 1/2 inch above the 1st one that you put in. Alrighty, and then we switch into our 2-clip extensions. So for the 2-clip ones, of course you're gonna want to get the effect that your hair is growing as long as it is as the back on the sides as well. So you're going to, I usually start with one side, just take that top section and clip it up out of the way on the side, and you'll get your 2-clip extension, and you'll brush through it. And you'll clip it in like so. And then I move to the other side so that I can have them even. So you'll take that same amount of hair on the other side and clip it up out of the way and clip it in. Alrighty, and then come the 1-clip wefts, which you can kind of just place them where it's going to look best to even out that look. I'll take the hair and split it down the back and just kind of see where hair is missing or where I think it could look a little bit fuller to blend it a little better. So I usually take a section right above my ear, or what is that, about 1.5 inches above my ear, and I'll clip that out of the way, and I'll take one of my clips You don't necessarily need a clip for this one, but then I'll just take a small section above that. And the point is, you don't want people to be able to see that this isn't your hair. So I'm happy with that on that side. Then you come to the other side with the other 2. So you have 4, so it'll be 2 on each side for the 1-clip extensions. And then at this point, you can decide whether or not you feel like your clip-ins need a little bit more styling or if they're fine the way they are. Another thing that is really awesome to keep the longevity of your hair extensions is their loop Luxy brush. It's just a special brush that is going to help take the tangles out of your hair without ruining the hair extensions. Alrighty. So those are in. I'm really happy with my Luxy hair extensions. I feel like it's something that I can get a little bit more glam, a little bit more lift in my hair, and a great thing, length. So I hope that you found this tutorial helpful for you guys. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye.